Hi everyone, my name is Talise. I am the new administrator at Living Earth School of Herbalism, and I am filming this video from the beautiful Grey County, Ontario. For those of you who are new to the community, Living Earth School was founded by Canadian herbalist Michael Vertoli, who has been an active teacher for over 40 years. Our school offers online education in Western herbalism and related subjects for those who wish to study for their own personal benefit or who wish to pursue a career as an herbalist. We also offer in-person workshops in Ontario, Canada. The purpose of this video is primarily to introduce a new project that we have been working on, which is our Living Earth School of Herbalism video series. These short videos will be around 5 to 10 minutes long, give or take, briefly covering topics that relate to our course material, providing beneficial information to career herbalists, those beginning their journey, and other herbal practitioners alike. We aim to make these teachings more accessible to the public and to reach a greater audience, as we believe they are greatly needed during these times. These teachings in these videos may differ from others that you have watched before, as our approach to learning is holistic and organismic, recognizing the importance of all levels of human functioning and experience, whether it be biochemical, physiological, emotional, mental, social, or spiritual. The focus is on helping people achieve a greater level of health and well-being, not just the elimination of symptoms at the physiological level, but the rebalancing of their entire lives. This philosophy is the cornerstone of all of our courses and programs and will be at the forefront of this channel. We will teach not only topics related to the practice of herbalism, but how to use these teachings in a good way. If there is any specific topic that you would like these videos to touch upon, or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we will try our best to address them within this series. We hope to release at least one video every week or two on this channel, and that you will tune in for each lesson. Thank you.